Hi, this is Dr. Ragini from Jata Fertility Center, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Adolescent or pubertal age group having irregular cycles. We are seeing many of my colleagues, many of my neighbors coming and asking me, our daughter has just attained menarche and she's getting her cycles not regularly, once in a while, yearly, say about twice, or sometimes if she bleeds throughout the month, full month she bleeds, and if she doesn't bleed, she will not bleed for next 6 months. So this is not to be worried. Initially, once the female attains puberty, this is the time when certain hormones in body are still not in place. It takes time for everything to come in place. Importantly, these hormones should not be corrected immediately. It has to be corrected naturally, and that happens over a period of time. Usually, after attaining puberty, this type of behavior of menstrual irregularities can vary for certain women. Correction can happen as early as 6 months, but certain women or certain girls takes around 6 years, 7 years for the regularization of this period. So you should not be worried, and no extra precautions or extra medication or extra test to be done for all this to happen. But importantly, the mother has to check on her how is the bleeding. If there is any excessive bleeding, that she is having bleeding throughout the month, then one thing that she has to be checked is her hemoglobin status. During an extreme low hemoglobin also will cause bleeding to happen, also will cause bleeding not to stop. Correction of hemoglobin is really very important for next things to be in place. She needs an emotional, psychological support from the parent, from the school as well, and also she needs lots of strength to handle it in a rightful way. If any of the parents are also facing the same situation, that the child is losing blood or the child is not getting period, just be calm. Don't throw your stress on the child and make her behave abnormal. So just take time, take one consultation with the gynecologist. If everything is in place, give the time, give the body its things to come into normal. If you have any doubts, do follow us. Thank you.